Hey, what's up, guys? ITMASTER-TECHNEWS channel, and finally I got the Galaxy Watch Active 2 I was waiting for, and from previous years I didn't buy the Active 1 because it was too small for my wrist. I have tried it, and there was a lot of differences, and I decided to get this one, and recently I get it from the Best Buy. This is the aqua black color, and we will do the quick unboxing, and later on I will uh, use it for a week, and then we share my opinion about the different functionality of what is new, and we'll show you how to pair with the iPhone in case you don't have an Android phone. Rather than Apple Watch, this one can work with iOS as well with the Samsung Wear application. Okay, let's get started. It has the Active 2 rating, 44 millimeters. The picture of the watch, it's actually looking the black, but it has some kind of bluish tint. Here it says the model number, made in Vietnam, made by Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, and here is the Samsung rating. Let's move on and see what is then the back side. It's a lightweight design, advanced auto fitness tracker and run coaching, heart and health monitor. This one is the aluminum. It cost me $2.99 and 44mm case strap size. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS. This one is not LTE version, but it's let you talk hands-free like the Apple Watch has that functionality. And I like the round shape watches, that's why I was gone with the Active Watch 2. Okay, let's open and see what we have the inside of the box. Okay, as you know, Samsung from the recent years, they changed the paperwork they're putting under this case, and the people usually when they remove it didn't checking that and the throwing. So this is the paperwork usually that's put it with the all kind of devices. Let's see what's inside. This quick start guide, Galaxy Watch Active 2. It's how to run the wear, and there are the other color. This is the for ladies, and the size is 40 millimeters, and my one is the 44. And there is also the other version is available, which is the stainless steel and with the leather straps, which cost $4.49 if I am not wrong, guys. If you know the real price, right price, please comment below. And this one is like terms and conditions, that kind of not interesting things. Let's move on. Okay, this time no another spare strap for the different size, and it is coming with this 20 millimeters stripes. This is let me put it on my wrist so you can see how it look on my wrist. This is 44 millimeters. Okay, it's pretty lightweight. You can wear everywhere and even don't take out during your sleep because it's not making any kind of problem for wearing. I just put it too tight. Let me go one down. this is the, okay, this one will be the right size. I've ordered another 2 stripes which will come soon. I will do the review for those stripes as well. One is the leather one, black, and another one is very kind of bluish color, but I don't actually know the real name of that, but I will share the opinion when they will come. Let's quickly check whatever we have in the box. So box is empty, nothing inside, and this one is charger. So there is nothing inside. So this is the magnetic charger, actually wireless charger, and with the standard USB type A. There is no power brick. Samsung don't putting it with this aluminum version, but the other one, which is the stainless steel with the leather straps, that one has the power brick as well. Let's quickly power on. Okay, Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2, very clean and clear OLED screen. I really like the quality of the screen. Meanwhile, in the back side, they changed according with the later last year version, they changed the heart rate sensors. They promised that it will be more accurate for this version of the Galaxy Watch Active 2, and after I will use it, I will share that. Okay, this is what I wanted to share with you guys. This was the quick unboxing of Galaxy Watch Active 2, 44mm aqua black color. Stay well, stay cool. See you soon in the next video.